right, check this out. This thing right here is my water heater. It's an on-demand water heater, and I just found out that there is a filter on this little fucker. So right here, underneath, this is where the water comes in. Let me position my light here. So this is where the water comes in right here into the thing. And then this little fucker right here, this little plug, apparently is a filter. So I'm going to let's shut this off first. And then I'm going to shut this off. And now we're going to take this thing out and check this filter because I didn't even know it existed, let alone have been cleaning it regularly. So let's check this out. Alright, apparently you take these needle nose pliers and you do this, and it does that. And I think it screws out here. I got a bucket underneath it. We're good. We're good. God, I love the internet. I didn't even know this thing existed. Hey, it doesn't look so bad. It doesn't look so bad. Let me see if I can take it off of here. All right, so you can kind of see in there, there's a little bit of shit in there, but all in all, this thing doesn't look too bad for me never checking it. I'm going to clean this thing up and put it back in there. All right, she's all clean. Let's put her back in here. Says just to give her a little finger tightening. Just got to give her a little finger in here. Here we go, moment of truth. I'm going to turn this on, hopefully slowly. All right, I don't see any leaks. Mission accomplished. God, I love the internet. Telling me all these filters exist. Turn this thing back on. Looks like we're good. We just got to test the hot water to see if it works again. Hell yeah. Hot as can be, baby. Keeping that filter clean. I love that the internet tells me all these filters exist. I don't know what I would do without the internet. I'm telling you. I wouldn't be a good homeowner, that's for damn sure. Well, we learned something together, my friends.